Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to download and install DaVinci Resolve 19 on your Windows 11 PC. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your web browser and navigate to the official Blackmagic Design website. Click on Free Download now. You'll see download options for different operating systems. Choose Windows under DaVinci Resolve 19. Fill out the registration form with your name, email, and other details. Once done, click Register and Download. The download will begin shortly. All right, now that you've downloaded the installer, let's move on to the installation process. Navigate to your Downloads folder and extract the file. After extraction, double-click the DaVinci Resolve installer file. When the Setup wizard appears, select everything and click Next to begin. Accept the license agreement and click Next. Choose your installation location. If you're unsure, stick with the default option and click Next. A shortcut is automatically created on the desktop. You can now launch DaVinci Resolve 19, and there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed DaVinci Resolve 19 on your Windows 11 PC. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy editing.